Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic that's perfect for anyone eager to save money while maintaining a healthy diet. In this video, we'll be sharing our most effective tips and strategies to help you achieve just that. So get ready to dive right in and discover practical ways to eat well without breaking the bank. The first tip I have today is meal planning. One of the easiest ways to save money and eat healthy is by planning your meals in advance. Take a few minutes each week to create a meal plan and make a corresponding shopping list. By doing this, you'll surely avoid unnecessary purchases and ensure you have all the ingredients you need. Planning your meal in advance allows you to be more intentional about your food choices, reduces food waste, and help you stick to your budget. The second I have is cooking at home. Cooking at home is generally more affordable than eating out, especially when it comes to regular meals. Not only is it usually cheaper than eating out, but it also allows you to have a complete control over the ingredients you use. Plus, it can be a fun and rewarding experience. At least try cooking in batches and freezing leftovers for those days that you'll be busy and you don't maybe feel like cooking. It will surely be of help. Tip number 3 is buying in bulk. Purchasing non-perishable items like grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds in bulk can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Just make sure to check the expiration date and buy quantities that you can consume before they spoil or go bad. The next I have on my list is do not forget to keep an eye out for the sales and use the coupons. Yes. Tip number 4 is all about taking advantages of discounts and deals. Check your local grocery stores for weekly sales and plan your meals around those discounted items. Coupons, whether from newspapers or online sources, can also help you save some extra bucks. The next I have on my list again is choose whole food. Processed or packaged foods are often more expensive and less nutritious. Instead, opt for fresh produce, whole grains, and lean proteins. They are not only healthier but also budget friendly. Again, I'll add that you should buy seasonal and local produce. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are usually more affordable and bursting with flavor. Visit your local farmers market and consider joining a community-supported agriculture or the CSA program to get fresh local produce at reasonable prices. And always don't forget to buy what you can consume before they go bad. Tip number 7 today is reduce meat consumption. Meat can be a significant expense in your grocery budget. Also, consider having meatless meals in a few times a week and substitute for plant-based protein like beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh. Not only would this save you money, but it also have a great way to incorporate more nutritious options into your diet. Now let's dive right into my last 3 tips. So, tip number 8, if you have a small garden or a green thumb, tip number 8 might just be perfect for you. Grow your own food. Whether you have a backyard or just a small balcony, growing your own herbs, fruits, or vegetables can significantly reduce your grocery expenses and also will provide you with fresh organic produce. The next is minimizing food waste. This tip number 9 is all about being mindful and resourceful with your ingredients. Store leftover properly, repurpose them into new meals or freeze them for later use. Don't let anything go to waste. Use wilted vegetables for soups or stir fries, and overripe fruit for smoothies and baking. And finally, tip number 10 is drink water and limit sugary beverages. Staying hydrated is essential for your health, and drinking water is not only refreshing but also cost effective. Invest in a reusable water bottle that you can carry with you wherever you go. By opting for water instead of sugary drinks or sodas, you will not only save money but also reduce intake of added sugars. Incorporating these tips into your lifestyle can help you save money while maintaining a healthy and balanced diet. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning, smart choices, and creativity in the kitchen, you can enjoy nutritious meals without compromising your budget. So that's all for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful on your journey to saving money and eating healthy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more budget friendly and nutritious recipes. And as always, feel free to leave your comments and questions below. Up until next time, happy saving, happy eating.